This repair video for the P0131 error code is specifically tailored for Ford drivers. If your Ford is showing up P0131 code, this is for you. This means that the engine's control module detected a low voltage signal from the Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty O2 sensor. Wiring issues. Vacuum leaks. Fuel system problems. Exhaust leaks. Here are 3 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Oxygen sensor replacement. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter and visually check the oxygen sensor electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. Paste the exhaust leaks. If you have a leak around the comer, get some exhaust putty to seal it up. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area or better application. Stir the paste well to activate it. Apply and press the paste to seal the leaking area. After the application, don't start the engine because the positive pressure from the exhaust will blow out the paste. Let it cure for 2 to 24 hours, depending on the external temperature. Wrap up the exhaust leaks. Exhaust pipes are made out of rolled steel, and there is a welded seam on them. Like this one, the seam will often rot a leak. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Get the heat wrap out and put into the water for about 40 to 50 seconds to start the activation process. Then remove it and squeeze out any excess water. Wrap it around the area and overlap it a couple of inches on each side. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times. Then squeeze it to make the resin go all through it. Start the car and let it run for 30 minutes so the heat cures it and makes a permanent fix. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes, Volkswagen, Subaru, Ford, Nissan, Honda, Audi, Toyota, BMW, and Mitsubishi. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.